Hello students, today we are going to learn about money. Do you know? Rupee 1 equals 100 paisa. Nowadays, 1 paisa cannot buy anything. So, the coins whose values are less than 1 rupees are not in use. But, the cost of expensive things also sometimes includes rupees and paisa both. We should not forget that paisa is the smallest unit of our money. Now, let's look at some coins and notes. 1 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa, 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. Now, tell me how many rupees are there in total? Yes, there is rupees 170 in total. Likewise, what is the total rupees here? Yes, there is rupees 519 in total. Lastly, what is the total rupees here? Yes, there is rupees 1111 in total. Well, this is all for the money review. Thank you.